This kit contains everything you need to collect one drinking water sample and send it to a certified lab for testing. The best location to collect your sample is usually where the most drinking water is consumed. This is often the kitchen sink, but it could be any other tap or line on the property. First draw is the recommended sampling method, where nobody has used any water at all, flushed the toilets, used a washer or outdoor hoses, from the sample location for at least 6 hours. It's easiest to do in the morning or after work and has the best chance of revealing plumbing-related issues. Before collecting your sample, remove any aerators from the faucet tip and be careful not to touch the inside of the sampling container or lid. Cautiously place the lid face up while you collect the sample. When collecting, use a gentle low flow and fill the container slowly to the shoulder. Close the lid tightly, return everything back to the box, and make sure to include both the COC document and your sample info card. Close the box and apply the prepaid shipping label. Ship your package using the method indicated on the label the same day as you took your sample, and we'll take care of the rest.